RIT Color Remover is a great product designed to remove colors from fabrics without having to use harsh chlorine bleach. Regular bleach damages the fibers in fabric, so if you go to re-dye them in a different color afterwards, your results may not be consistent or may not turn out how you're expecting them to. Color Remover works on cotton, linen, silk, wool, ramie, rayon, and nylon and leaves a blank slate that is ready to be dyed. And here's how you use it. Start by washing your fabric in warm, soapy water. Then, boil a pot of water. Once it is simmering, add a package of RIT Color Remover and stir. You can also use Color Remover in the washing machine, but the stovetop method is probably going to give you the best results because of your ability to sustain the heat. Wet your fabric and then add it to the bath of water, stirring until you have reached your desired results, which should take about 10 to 30 minutes. I tried this method on a variety of clothes to show you how it works. The first item I removed color from was a purple pair of pajama pants. The pants themselves are made out of cotton, but I realized after I removed the color that the thread did not change at all. So this is an important thing to note about clothing. Oftentimes, the thread used to sew together the garment is synthetic and cannot have the color removed. The next garment was a cotton polyester blend that has a brightly colored pattern on the whole shirt. This was the least successful garment in this batch. The trim of the shirt had its color removed, while the body stayed pretty much the same. It was definitely a little surprising considering cotton was the main fiber that made up this blend, but it is important to note that you may not always be able to remove the color with this method depending on the material. For the last 3 articles of clothing, we ended up doing 2 rounds of Color Remover. This black shirt came out well after 2 rounds, but it still wasn't as light as some of the other items. The second round didn't remove the pattern from these pants, even though they are cotton. It's possible that they're actually a polycotton blend, but RIT does say that it may not remove patterns and prints. After the first rounds, the jeans came out a bright yellow color, which was really surprising. So after trying again, the results were much better. If you do want to use the color on blue jeans, keep in mind that RIT states it will not work on the indigo color of most jeans. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks.